National Press Day 2019 is observed all across the nation today. The Directorate of Information and Public Relations, Government of Manipur is also celebrating the occasions at the DIPR office located at Nitaipat Chutek, Imphal. All Manipur Press Association AMPA is celebrating its 49th Foundations Day today. In connection to this, a function is underway at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal, wherein several dignitaries are present. The Tripura High Court had rejected bail pleas of former Chief Secretary and ex-Chief Engineer in the Rs 638 crore PWD scam. As per media reports, a bench of Justice Aridham Lode rejected the anticipatory bail pleas of former Chief Secretary Yashpal Singh and bail petitions of ex-Chief Engineer of PWD Sunil Bhaumik. Chief of Army's Red Horn Division Major General Deepak Mehra met Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal and discussed security issue concerning the state. According to media reports, the general spoke to the CM about the security situations in Lower Assam and the contributions of Indian Army to support the government to contain insurgency. Gunmen opened fire on a convoy of buses carrying minority Muslim voters in northwest Sri Lanka today, hours before polling in presidential elections got underway. As per media report, there were no immediate reports of casualties.